never had Arby's before, I don't know what any of this is about to taste like. Jalapeno poppers, curly fries, white cheddar mac and cheese, the cordon bleu chicken sandwich. I didn't know that, like I said, I've never been to Arby's before. I didn't know that the cordon bleu sandwich came with ham, and I don't eat pork, so I had to take that off, unfortunately. Also got one of every sauce because, like I said, I've never been to Arby's and I wanted to try everything. Bronco berry sauce, ranch, buffalo sauce, tangy barbecue sauce, and Arby's sauce. It's kind of your basic mac and cheese, curly fry. Let's try it by itself. I don't really know what they season this with. Ranch. Try this berry sauce. That's what it looks like. It's different. I don't know. Jalapeno. It's really good. I had to take the ham off. I don't like ham. So it's just a chicken patty. Try the Arby's sauce. Oh my god. I don't even know what that tastes like, to be honest. Barbecue sauce.